Welcome our viewers scattered across the country. My name is Mr. Matimaire and I'm a qualified teacher by profession. So welcome to our channel, Zimclassroom, where we are going to be discussing issues that us as teachers usually arise in the Zimbabwe classroom setup. So in this video today, in our third episode, we are going to look at, in our fourth episode, we are going to look at, we are still looking at Roman numerals. But today now, we are going to be discussing how we can write them from 600 up to 1000. So we are going to demonstrate how that can be done. If you are still new to our channel, please click the like button, click the subscription button, and also click the notification button so that the moment we release new video, you will be immediately notified. Thank you for your support, guys. Now let's enjoy the show. So let me take you through and help your child to understand how best can he or she write Roman numerals, converting them from the Arabic ones. Thank you. Okay, friends, so what we are going to look at today, this time around, we are going to look at Roman numerals, the last part now, and this is ranging from 600 up to 1000. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to illustrate. I've got some figures which are over here. I have 600, I have 700, I have 800, 900, and lastly 1000. So I'm going to illustrate for you how that can be written in Roman numerals. So without wasting much time now, let's move on to the first one. Let's move on to 600. So 600 now. Remember, like I said in the previous episode, 500 now is D, right? And 100, that's C. So this time around we write DC. DC, that's equivalent to 600. Now moving on to 700. Now, so this is D and C and C. So this becomes our 700. Now 800 now. This is D, C, C, C. That's 800 for you. Right. Now let's move on. 900 now. 1000 is M. So we say C, M. For M, that's 1000 and C, that's 100. So 1000 minus 100 is equal to 900. So 900, that's equal to CM. And lastly, 1000. This would be M. So this is the first part. So now I'm going to illustrate a few examples that I've written for you, which are over here. So the first one now is 684. So 684. So how do we go about the business now? So 600 now. This is DC. That's our 600 now. And we also write 84. 84 now is L, X, 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 and I, V. So that's 684. Okay. So the concept now, the pattern is this. If it's 793, you first write 700 and then lastly you write 93. Okay, over here we wrote 600. So DC, that's 600. Then 84, starting from here, LXXX, IV, that's 84. So that's the trick of writing these Roman numerals. So let's try the next one. 793. So first things first, 700 now is D, C, C, right? That's 700. Then 93 now, it's X, C, I, 793. Okay, there. Now the next sum, 641. So first, let's write 600. So that's simple. D, C. Okay, there. So we have our 600. Now let's write 41. 41, that's X, L, I. So you have 641. You see the pattern now. Now let's move on. 885. Now first thing first, let's write our 800. So this is D, C, C, C. We have our 800. Now let's write 85. So this is L, X, 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 V. 885. We now have it. Okay. Now let's move on. 937. Let's first write our 900. 900, that's C, M. We have our 900. Now let's write 37. So this is pretty easy. 37, that's X, 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 and V, I, I. We have our 937 there. Okay. Alright, moving on. 721. First write our 700. So that's D, C, C. Now let's write 21. Right, X, X, I. 721. We have it. Now, the last one, 809. Let's write our 800 first. 800, that's D, C, C. We have our 800. And then the 9, that's I, X. Okay, there. So, this is all you need to do, folks. Okay, there. So now you are the one who's got the 10 to do so now. So I'm going to give you some sums to practice as examples. Okay, so guys, now let's get our pens and exercise books ready and let's start working. Okay, ciao. Thank you for your patience, our viewers. So that's how the skill can be executed. So if you've got any questions, you can always reach me on my inbox so that we can always discuss, or I can immediately post a new video for you so that your child can have the necessary assistance that he or she wants. The parents out there, grade 6 and grade 7s, if your child is having some challenges, you can always inbox me so that I can make a video for your child so that he or she can get the assistance that she wants. Thank you.